So, welcome back to another fantastic episode of Raw and Real Finance. Me and Abhishek both will be breaking down something what we really love, redeeming all Accor points for luxurious stay for free. Whether you are a luxury traveler, a solo traveler, or a business flyer, or you're someone looking for deals around luxury stay, this video is for you.
We are both big fans of Accor. Think Sofitel, Fairmont, Raffles, Pullman, Novotel, and Ibis. And of course, the credit cards that get you there. Let's walk you through the entire process end to end. Right from creating an account on Accor All to redeeming your points on the Accor All program via your credit cards.
First thing, what you have to do, you have to go on All Accor website, as you can see on my screen. Then you have to sign up or sign in. So first time you're creating an account, you have to do sign up, which is for free. This can be done with basic information and your account will be ready. You put your email ID, you get a register for free. Let me put one email ID. So you see, confirm your email address. Now I'll go to my account. Once you confirm the link, what you get on your email ID, you will get this page. You have to fill in your details. Once you have filled in all these details, press continue. You have to put the password. I will accept this button also because I would like to receive all personalized offers from Accor. So your email address is confirmed and your account is ready. So I'll log in now with my email ID and my password. Once my login ID is created and my password is created, I'll log in into my account. As you can see on the screen, you can search your hotel, start date, end date, rooms, and guest details. Now you look at on the right side where I'm clicking on my name. You will see the status, validity, how many points I have. And if you want to know your membership number, you have to go to your loyalty account. Here you will get this membership number. This membership number will be helpful while transferring points from credit card portal to Accor portal. So keep this very handy. Step 2. Link your credit card rewards program to your Accor All account. The membership number you get after creating your account, you have to take that membership number and go to the reward portals of credit card companies, and then you link both the accounts. For HDFC, it's a Smart Buy portal. For HSBC, it's HSBC Rewards. And for Access is Access Edge. You go there, you select Accor as an option and you link it. So for example, for HDFC, I'll show you on my screen. So now I've logged in into my Smart Buy portal. Here, there is an option called Miles Transfer. I'll click on that and you will see host of travel partners. So I'll click on Accor. You see ratio 1 point equals to 0.5 all Accor points. I'll take this as option. Now you see this is my membership number, my name, because I've already linked it earlier. That's why the details are available. I'll just confirm here. I'll do 100 points transfer. For every 100 points in Smart Buy for Diners Black, I will get 50 equivalent reward points in Accor. Now they are asking few information. I'll put that. As you can see, you will get this message on Smart Buy platform of HDFC. That request receive in 24 hours, this will be done. So I'll receive 50 points. Depending upon bank, you can use your points transfer from your reward portal to Accor. Top of our list, Access, Magnus, and Atlas with respect to Access Edge Rewards, HDFC Infinia, DCB, Regalia Gold for Smart Buy platform, HSBC Premier, HSBC Platinum, and Travel One with respect to new HSBC Rewards platform. This fourth one as well, SBI Miles.
Step 3. Transfer your points. So for most credit cards, the transfer takes anywhere between 5 minutes to maybe a day. For HSBC, the transfer was almost instant, while for Axis Bank cards, the transfer usually takes 1 day or a little bit more. You can really amplify your Accor experience, Accor Plus membership. Not only does it give you few complimentary buffet vouchers, but a free stay as well as welcome drinks whenever you book and stay at an Accor hotel. You also get an instant silver status and 20 nights to add on to your overall kitty. We have done 2 full episodes on the Accor Plus program, so you should definitely check them out. The links are in the description. So friends, let's talk about how you can actually do the booking. Okay, so let's try to look at Sofitel BKC as we are trying to do a extrication. So let's try to see one room for 2 packs. This is a hotel. Right now, stay plus free night is not available. The rooms are the club room, so you will be charged higher. So you cannot use your stay plus for club rooms. But yeah, it's 194 euros. And had I had enough points, you can just go and while you are booking, you can redeem. So this is the luxe weekend. Therefore, the breakfast is included and you can get the special romantic getaways with amenities and champagne as well, which is slightly higher. Okay, and these are packages, the standard rate, and this is the Accor Plus standard rate, which is €201. Similarly, let's try to go and see Donna Silvia. So I'm trying to see 6th June, Donna Silvia. So not a great time to go to Goa, but yeah, with the monsoons on, Sometimes it is very good in monsoon as well. Yeah, so I can redeem my stay plus night. So I have one stay plus night on this account. I have two accounts. Okay, and let me just try to select my stay plus night here. So first, let's see what's the price without the stay plus night. It is 125 euros, right? So if I select my stay plus night and I submit, this becomes free. So that's how you redeem a stay plus night. So this is the benefit that I got for almost 125 euros for this hotel. Okay, now let's see Fairmont Jaipur. Okay, I'm just again taking the same night, 6th of June. So this is the hotel. I stayed there a few years back. Nice property. Sorry, the hotel itself is not available on that date. Other dates. So this is how you can select other dates, right? So you have $173 on arrival date of 4th. This hotel is pretty popular among luxury and destination weddings. So yes, so you can use it. But yeah, you cannot use your stay plus night here. But you can select the room. This is a reasonable price to rooms. And you can cancel free of charge. You go ahead, you'll put your details and you will add and then you can redeem. Okay, let me try to use account. Okay, so this is my other account. I'm again back in this. Obviously, I have plenty of points here. While the stay plus night is not available, but yeah, let me just try to book this room. So I choose this flexible bed and breakfast, no prepayment. This is what you can see, pay with rewards. So therefore, you can pay at this hotel with your reward points. Since I have plenty of points on my account, it will take my details, ask me to confirm, and see, I can pay up to 120 euros out of this. So this is how I select. So the remaining amount, I think there's some limitation by the hotel. They want to have 50 euros payment or 5,000 rupees paid. So you cannot always redeem because it will only take in multiples of 1,000 points or 2,000 points, depending on the hotel. So anyways, so this is how you do it. I go back to the form. Let's go international now. Okay, let's try to do Auckland. Great. So we are now looking at Auckland. So this is a great hotel, Auckland Hotel and Apartments, though I didn't stay here, but you can see these, and this is free for now. And Movenpick Hotel, again, this is a great place to be. It's again free. And this is a fantastic hotel on Stay Plus. Let's see this one, Auckland Viaduct Harbour. And yeah, there's a new property as well, Auckland Airport. This is also free. See, I'm just looking at the one where I stayed. Oh, this is unavailable. So I stayed at this property. This is so in Auckland. Well, let's go back and see Sofitel Auckland. Okay, yeah. So if I remove my stay plus benefit, let's see Sofitel. The Accor Auckland Viaduct Harbour is 179 euros, which is roughly almost 17,000 rupees. But with Accor Plus, you get this for free. Let's again look at one more property. Let's try to see something in Australia. Okay, so again, I'm looking at properties in Australia. So this Novotel Melbourne Central is 17. Melbourne on Collins is free. On Russell Melbourne is again free. Mercure Melbourne is free. Mercure Melbourne South Bank is also free. Sofitel Collins is 50 euros. Movenpick on Hotel Melbourne on Spencer is again $6. Shadow Play Melbourne by Peppers are great hotels. I've stayed in Peppers in New Zealand. So those are free. So you can just see that you will get a fantastic discount. So let's pick one and then see. Let's try to see this Movenpick. No. So we will pick Mercure. Okay, let's see how much is Mercure for. If I remove this, all hotels are roughly in the 120 and 130 euro. It really depends on the dates that you really book. But you can see there are plenty of hotels in Australia. And let's go back once more. Melbourne Street, Mercure Melbourne South Bank. Shadow Play by Peppers. Shadow Play by Peppers is free. Mercure Melbourne Albert Park. So it's anywhere between 50 to 150 euros, which will be within that cheaper range. So you can decide on which is the most suitable hotel for you, because this will show you a large number of hotels, right? I think this one was also free. So you can decide which is the most convenient hotel. Let's try Sydney. Novotel City Centre, Sydney. Sofitel Wentworth is for free. And if I remove, so Sofitel Sydney City Wentworth is for free when I use my Accor Plus membership. If I remove this and I just see, this is 193 euros. So this is almost 20,000 rupees or 19,000 rupees. And when I use my Accor Plus membership, I get this for free. So you are getting a 19,000 room night in membership for 16,000 rupees. Plus you get buffet vouchers. Plus you get welcome drinks. Plus you get silver tier status. Plus you get 20 room nights all together. So you're getting everything for free besides the room night. And that too is at a discount. So isn't that really a great value? So I've just shown you examples both from New Zealand and from Australia. And oh, I almost forgot about Maldives. So Roshan, would you want to take over for Maldives?
Now we will move to new destination, Maldives. You can visit Maldives anytime during the year, but you have to ensure that you do it at least 4 to 5 nights. It's a very good and beautiful place, and you will really enjoy it. I'll put dates probably of May for 5 days, 4 nights, 5 days, 16 to 20. Now with the Maldives, as you can see the list, around 8 hotels are available during these days. All the kind of range available, high and medium range hotels. So you can plan your stay accordingly. I'll share you one hack where you can reduce this cost drastically for Maldives. Go and purchase Accor Plus membership. You get one complimentary stay night free. In Maldives, you have to book at least 3 nights to get the benefit. So what I'll do on my screen, I'll just on this Stay Plus benefit. So first I'll show you the rate without Stay Plus. As you can see, SO Maldives accept this Stay Plus night. The earlier rate is 2,30,000 excluding taxes. Now once I switch on this button on the Stay Plus, the rate reduces from 2.3 lakhs to 1.7 lakhs. That's effectively 60,000 benefit on just using this Stay Plus membership. Accor Plus membership costs around 16,000 per annum, and just buying for your Maldives trip, this cost can give you benefit of worth 60,000 plus taxes. Isn't it a great value with Accor Plus membership? You will find all kind of properties in Maldives, starting from Raffles, Mercure, Pullman, Kuredivaru Resort, Banyan Tree, SO Maldives. And at two places, Stay Plus voucher is applicable or during these dates. So I'll select SO Maldives. I'm just ensuring that I click Stay Plus to see the price. So now Lagoon Water Pool Villa is available. I'll select this. While selecting, you just have to ensure it's pay with reward points. In case you don't see this sign anywhere, pay with reward points, you call up the hotel and check whether they accept reward points or not. In most cases, they accept it, but it's always good to check in hand if there's no mention of pay with reward points with the hotel. I usually book a flexible rate, which ensures that I have a long cancellation period. So I will select this. This is with flexible bed and breakfast, and there is another deal and package rate as well. So I would suggest to go for this because food is quite expensive in Maldives. It is better to take either half board or full board depending upon your requirement. So I'll select half board flexible rate, a refundable one. Now I will take you to my personal favorite destination where you can make the best use of Accor points, Paris. I'll select date of somewhere around August, which is a good time to visit Paris, and over the weekend maybe. If you're planning to use Accor for Europe trip or Paris trip, you search this way, you will get a long list of hotels. And my suggestion would be to you book a hotel either nearby to metro station where the connectivity is best, or book near main attractions. And I usually follow a map-wise view. So as you can see, I've selected a map of Paris. So here is the Eiffel Tower, as you can see. Then here is a Notre Dame Cathedral, then there is a Louvre Museum, and this is Seine River. And this is a patch you will see a lot of attraction here. So you can plan to stay somewhere in this radius, and you see there are like multiple hotels ranging from all range which you can book. And you can select any hotel and you will find connectivity really good in Paris for sure. One more thing, when you plan a Europe trip, don't forget to take a Corpus membership. The value what you get out of welcome drink itself will cover 50% of a membership cost. Let's understand how reward rate work with different credit cards. Here, the value of each one Accor point is equal to 1.8 to 1.9 rupees. Given the exchange rate fluctuates, it can be either 1.8 to 1.9. Now, here things become really interesting with different credit cards. For example, Access Magnus has a ratio of 5 to 4, which basically means for 5 edge rewards, you will get 4 Accor points. Similarly, for Access Atlas, 1 edge mile is equal to 2 Accor points. In case of HSBC Premier has come up with now direct ratio of 1:1, which basically means when you get a base point of 3% on HSBC Premier, when you transfer to Accor, it can be roughly 5.5 to 5.8%. Apart from that, if you look at HDFC has straightforward ratio of 2:1. So each two HDFC points, whether it is on Infinia or Diners Club or on Regalia Gold, it will translate into 1 Accor point. Since 1 Accor has the value of 1.8 to 1.9, which basically means you're doubling your reward rate. And when you're using your credit card effectively for your daily spends, which can be in form of shopping, grocery, insurance payment, and these points what you accumulate on Accor can be used for redeeming on your luxurious 5-star stay. Isn't it amazing? What is our recommendation for Accor fans? If you are building a travel focused card portfolio, these are top cards. And interesting part, we have done a detailed review of all these cards on your favorite channel, Raw and Real Finance. If you're someone who has been collecting points for luxurious travel on credit cards, Accor is one of the most amazing hotel program. And with the right credit card, the reward multiply. So whether it's an amazing getaway to Goa or luxurious honeymoon to Maldives or a business trip to Delhi, Accor fits all the size.
And if you have liked this episode, please consider liking and sharing the episode as well as subscribing to our channel. And as always, feel free to reach out to us over direct messages on Instagram or Twitter in case you need any help in booking a stay, buying an Accor Plus membership, or choosing the right credit card. This is raw and real finance, no fluff, just real hacks. Till then, keep swiping